Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix ChatGPT login error or access denied. So sometimes Cloudflare security in ChatGPT mistakenly flag legitimate users as suspicious. This can lead to temporary access restrictions. So even users who have done nothing wrong can have these restrictions. So you need to see if you are using VPN, or you can actually try to use another browser, try to use another device and see if the problem is still within your range. So if you're facing this issue, the best solution is to wait and try again later, or you can do the solutions that I already said. So you can check if you have actually a VPN turned on, or you can try to change your Wi-Fi. You can try to clear your browsing date and cache cookies. So corrupt browser cache and cookies can interfere with ChatGPT login if you repeatedly encounter an access denied message. Also, you need to disable security software and firewall settings. And another fix for this problem is to check if your PC has a virus. So sometimes when your PC or laptop has a virus, some websites will deny the access on your computer because you have a problem and they don't want to take it. So that's actually how you fix access denied or login error in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.